Who's that guy?
B.
Wiley, what do you see on here? What do you see?
Truck. His car.
It's a pickle truck?
Truck. No, not pickle truck.
What is it?
It's his car.
It's a hay car?
No. It's his car.
Good job, Brooks.
Cheese car.
A cheese car. Oh, I didn't know that was cheese. Let's see. Yeah, it's cheese. Where's the crocodile? What's this? What's this? What is it? What is it?
This is
What is it? What's this one?
chocolate from the out. Chocolate from the out.
Mm-hmm. They're flying out. Yep, the tomatoes are flying out. What's that?
Locomotive.
Locomotor. That's right. What's this one?
Choo-choo.
What's this? What's this one?
Dumping.
Dumper. What's this one?
What's this?
It's a canvas cab truck.
Dumping.
Where's Goldbug? Goldbug, I see you. What's this one called?
Unicycle.
Unicycle. That's right.
What's this?
What are those ones?
Forklift.
Forklift.
Truck.
Yep.
Forklift. What's this?
That's a, what is that?
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. That's right.
Crane.
Crane.
What's this?
Log loader.
What's this?
That's a log loader too.
No.
Yeah.
Truck.
See?
It's a big truck.
It is a big truck.
What's this?
What is that? You tell me.
Bulldozer.
Another bulldozer.
Oh, thank you, Brooks.
What's this one?
A forever.
Excavator. Chomp, 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 chomp. It is an excavator, huh? Good job. What's this one? What's that one? What kind?
Pencil.
A pencil car. Huh?
Animals.
With the animals. Yep.
What's
It's a baby ditch digger.
this? Baby. Digger.
Ditch digger.
What's this?
It's a big ditch digger.
Digger. Digger. What's this? Trumpet.
Dump it? What's it dumping?
There's a bin coal. There's a bin coal.
Dumping coal. Yep.
Dumping coal.
And rocks. They dump coal.
Tomatoes.
Dump coal, tomatoes, and rocks. Yep.
Now a crocodile too.
A crocodile.
That's so silly.
That is so silly. That crocodile.
Take a shot down.
Take a trash truck. What's this one? What's this one?
What's it?
What's that called?
Big digger.
Oh, Brooks!
Big digger.
It's a big digger. Honey, that is awesome. Let's see. That is so cool. Let me see. That's so cool. I love it. Okay, I'll be right there. It's very cool, guys. Okay.